Airware's Redbird solution for the mining and quarrying industries enables you to capture, view, and analyze drone-acquired data. Using Redbird, you can better optimize operations and maintain site compliance. Redbird enables you to access current and historical data across your business on multiple sites, anywhere, anytime. The Airware Enterprise workflow consists of 3 steps: plan, fly, and analyze. Let's look at the data and analysis first. Once logged in, we have access to a map of all your sites. The number of drone flights at each site is displayed. Today, we'll look at a 250-acre quarry site that produces an average of 1 million tons of limestone aggregates per year. Here's the latest image of your site. The map is a 2D orthomosaic, or aerial image. The data is also in 3D. The 3D model is automatically generated and made of millions of points. Together, these points are forming triangles, allowing 3D reconstruction. The imagery collected by the drone is draped on top of the triangles to give you a realistic 3D model, which is useful to help project team members understand site conditions. Returning to the map view, you can easily track on-site changes after every drone flight with compare features. Each aerial map, or orthomosaic, perfectly aligns with the previous one. You can see where changes have occurred. You can also extract information to make faster business decisions. You can also view a 3D digital surface model via a hillshade map or slope map, which you can see here. The density here is about 1,500 points per square foot, or even higher. That's 100 times more than traditional surveying methods on the ground. You can get accurate northing, easting, and elevation values from any point on the map. You can also view the digital surface model in other ways, using tools such as a color ramp, where you can highlight different elevations. Any material volume evolution over time can be easily assessed with the elevation profile function. It allows us to select a past date and compare elevation profiles from then and now. It can be exported into CAD file formats such as DWG. For better production accounting, you can quickly obtain accurate stockpile volumes by simply clicking around the toe of a pile. You can also use this feature to measure material moved and calculate BCM or LCM difference between 2 dates. For more precise information, you can request an automated production report, which provides the volume of each of your stockpiles. This volume measurement tool tracks aggregate stockpiles and monitors the yard inventory. Inventory can be sorted out by material type, fragmentation, quality, or chemistry. You can also combine the material types of each stockpile and view your statistics for all your sites per site and per grain size. There's also a blasting tool that enables you to visualize the upcoming production plan of the quarry. I select the area I'd like to blast. Each blast BCM volume can be pre-estimated and projected in blasted tons by defining a low level on top of the selected surface, or Z. This can be very useful to plan the drill and blast operations internally or with a service provider. To help optimize site and fleet efficiency, we can analyze haul road gradients, widths, crossfalls, and super elevations of curves. To help monitor site safety and compliance, we can analyze safety berms and berm heights, as well as safety block heights. You can easily view high wall information, including toes and crests and heights. Another feature is the capability to enhance the data with annotations. Anyone with access to Redbird can collaborate real-time, such as the site manager, the accountants, the safety manager, and machine operators. All of the annotations can be retrieved and filtered easily by type, date, user, or tag. You can also export annotations in DWG and shapefile formats. You can also choose to receive notifications when somebody adds or deletes something on the site that you are working on, making collaboration easier and more efficient. Now, let's rewind for a moment to see how we captured this data with simple, autonomous drone flights. We're logged into the secure Airware cloud. To set up a site for the first time, we name the job and enter the location of the site, using either an address or longitude and latitude coordinates. Then we'll select the site survey type, in this case, mining site survey. Now, we create a request for information around the site. Also known as a geofence, this represents the boundaries that the drone cannot fly outside of. We'll also verify that the maximum altitude of the geofence is set to 400 feet. Then, we'll select an operator, who could be a local quarry employee, a company's surveying team member, or an external pilot. Here, we'll assign the job to Mark and submit for approval. Approvals can also be routed to individuals, such as an aviation safety officer or a compliance manager. The job is also automatically checked against FAA no-fly zones before clearing the operator for flight. Once the job is approved, it is dispatched to the operator who was selected, and he is notified of the job. The drone operator sees the assigned inspection in his job list for the day. When the operator arrives at the quarry, he sets the aircraft in a safe takeoff location and opens the job on a tablet or phone. Here we see the request for data acquisition is already set and ready to fly, but he can modify any parameters as need be. He selects the desired flight path, which automatically uploads to the aircraft, and he's ready to fly. He performs a pre-flight safety check and launches the aircraft. The aircraft will now fly completely autonomously, collecting high-resolution imagery of the site. He can pause the flight or land the drone as need be with the click of a button. Once the flight is finished, the aircraft returns and lands at the launch location. After the site inspection is complete, all flight information is automatically uploaded to the Airware Cloud and Redbird software for analysis as soon as an internet connection is available. So, as you've seen, this platform is incredibly powerful for optimizing and monitoring your sites in detail on a regular basis and collaborating across teams to make more informed business decisions. Thanks for joining me.